sweaters turned into skirts. I'm really intrigued with this upcycling technique, and I recognize it as a technique with great potential. I call it upside down. I used it to create my first upcycle collection. Make sure that you subscribe because I'm going to make more videos explaining about these pieces. But here I'm going to show you the concept of that upside down technique. I'm Mariana, fashion upcycler from Refashions Sewing. I have Myrtle to help me today to show you what upside down technique is exactly. Upside down is a way to look at the garment in a very different, out of the box way. For example, Myrtle is wearing infinity scarf, but this scarf is actually a previous skirt found in the op shop. No sewing required to make this scarf. But the one that I'm wearing requires a little bit of sewing. Probably you will recognize what piece of a pre-existing garment was that. So this was a piece of a very small size woman's top. And probably you recognize that obsolete design where it was very fitted around the waist area up to the empire line, the under bust line, and then it had more opened and flared top. But anyway, so I had these really nice buckles here, and what I did is just finish it with a tape from the same top and made it into a scarf. So now I really enjoy it. It's warm and nice, soft. I love the color. It's detachable, so I can combine it with different things. And it's literally turned and rethought in an upside down way. So another piece that Myrtle is wearing is a skirt. That was again men's vest, sleeveless. So you can see this is the armhole, and here the hem of the vest is so I applied elastic and is turned into the waistband with the elastic. So because the vest had a big hole around the shoulder, so I cut that front part, left, as you saw, left the armhole, and I applied a panel of another very small size girl's top. So I cut the lower part and left one of the side seams. So I have a big enough panel to cover the skirt, and that's the original size of the top. It was like two colors with the darker color and pink with polka dot design. So I left the side seam and attach it as a panel just because I didn't like the skirt too short. So how I made the pocket? I used the cup sleeve from that complementary top and didn't cut it, just unthreaded it because it's very fine viscose jersey, and it's not good to cut this material because it unravels a lot, so it will lose the shape and all that. So I picked it and then just overlocked, attached as a pocket, and here the hem of the sleeve I gathered, embellished and turned into the upper part of the pocket. And because every design needs to flow, I decided to attach some embellishment at the back just to make that pink color floating over the skirt. So here you can see how this upside down was literally to make the skirt, but also some pieces could be tilted or done in a different way and reused as is into the new design. So make sure that you subscribe, because I'm going to explain more about the other pieces from the collection. Again, that reuse the pieces of the pre-existing garment to make the new one. Like for example, this sleeveless jacket. So make sure that you subscribe and see other inspiring ideas. See you in the next video. Mariana from Eco Fashion Soul.